Every day, I have been looking for someone can be with me to adventure the world, and the life is endless. Like you, let us escape from city, leave behind noisy. We restart the journey. Although the future is full of risk and a challenge, I won't be afraid, because with you, with courage and enthusiasm, we will stay until the end. The wind goes through, but it keeps the vast in our heart. You're here, the light comes. This is a ride without an end. S618, Wireless Way, endless fun.